Hapadang Jing bat Kijin tunjuk ki babon ban pen priang ka jinang jing start shiki khna akathan Nongpoh ka Nongpoh Nepali Secondary School mantakasni hapadang ka jingkeman kala jam yo Mawmer ban rakhe ka jinya lenti basan pusnam nadu bla asang ka usnam khat khandai spa nyo phulai ban long gum ka we ni kislam hikai ya ka te ka jing rakhe dap san pusnam ne ka jubilee siar la pan hap perda no mantakasi ka pratrik no pra daw menteri ka tanat puli puthi ka jelaw are sang ma kum kongsan ha ka jinya don lang ba meral bonds MLA ka Nongpoh Manish Kumar Additional Deputy Commissioner ka Ribhoy ka kong PL nong light DSEO ka kong RM Nyota Principal Jongka School UCM Adhikari Senior Advocate Madhav Singh President Managing Committee bat kiwe ki rirong ba ki khna school bat ki kmi ki kapa ha ka tiga sni penkot jongka jing rakhe dap san pusnam jongka school nagal yang gibor penya kila yo ru ban penlai ka souvenir jongka school ban penken mau ya ka jinya lenti basan pusnam balak pelai pai ba ka do menteri ka tanat puli puthi are sang ma bat ha ka juga por kila yo ru ban penkut buram ki rirong ba ki nong hikai beningkong ki khna school balak pas ningkong nak ka school kum ka dak ka jing sungu alor sunyang uben hei ba kila no bat don benta bat ka school.
We are here today to witness this beautiful day, to commemorate the Jubilee. When we talk about Jubilee, it is a moment of joy, of happiness, where in those days, in the Jewish New Year, where they blow this ram's horn trumpet, where the word Jubilee has been derived from the Hebrew word Yobel. The meaning of that is ram's horn trumpet. Different occasion is being celebrated with the silver jubilee, golden jubilee, or even the centenary. In different occasion to commemorate, to remember, to have a flashback, whatever has happened in the past 50 years. The founder member of this school, the managing committee, the headmistress, the headmaster, all the teachers, I'm not wrong to say that you have been through thick and thin, where you have brought this school where it is today. It is not an easy task, no? Adhikari or other members, or all members who have been there from the beginning. It is not easy. From where to get salary, from where to get school building, how to manage. It is a tough task. There are multiple challenges ahead of us. But you have overcome.
My dear teachers, the present managing committee, and my dear students, the future of these institutions will be raised upon your shoulders. My young friends, including my students, remember, and those in your life here today, if I am not wrong, remember the future of these institutions, of your community, of our state, rests upon your soldier. Therefore, I always used to say, Newton's third law of motion, every action has equal and opposite reaction. The Bible says, how much you sow, that much you will receive. People always connect this Newton's third law of motion, this Bible verse. How much you sow, what you sow, you will receive. Therefore, our founding members has contributed to plant these beautiful schools, and the result is glorious. If I am not wrong, this school has produced might have engineer, the doctor, the teacher, the officers, and in a different position in a different society. Then today, my best wishes to continue to produce such human beings for the use for our society, for our state, for our people. On this occasion, I bring my greetings on this very, very glorious celebration of Golden Jubilee of Nongpoh Nepali Secondary School.